Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love. Caught up in my tape. Caught up in my tape. Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement.
Welcome back to my channel. What's up? Welcome back. Today is going to be a hairstyling wave looking hairdo video. Guys, love them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I'll know to film more, and if you have any ideas, leave me a comment down below. Today I did crimp my hair like this wavy beach hair look, and I did use this from Revlon, so it's a crimper machine, and it is pretty heavy, but it's okay if you don't go to the gym, girl. You work them arms with this, trust me. It does have like these two like wands, like curling wands, and then it has this back part which is the crimper, and you just grab a piece of hair and crimp it. You know, I will be showing you how I do crimp my hair when it comes to using this machine, so if you guys want to learn, then keep on watching. Did get this at Walmart for $15, so it's really affordable. And if you always wear like your hair straight, or you really don't do anything in the morning, this is your tutorial, because this takes like less than 20 minutes. And if you have shorter hair, or like my type of length, then girl, you'll be done quick so you can see your boo or go make that money. But let's get started.